Early signs that show that your pregnancy might be at high risk. Hi, my name is Kaval and I originally started this page to share my pregnancy journey, but sadly at 21 weeks of pregnancy, I lost my child due to a silent condition known as cervical insufficiency. And ever since that, I have been spreading awareness about pregnancy complications because I believe awareness can save lives. The thing is that not all high risk pregnancies are diagnosed early, and some conditions are so silent that when you get to know about them, it's already too late. So, here are some early signs that you need to look out for. One, persistent pelvic pressure. If you feel a heavy downward feeling in your uterus, the early stages of pregnancy and in the second trimester, then that indicates that there are cervical changes happening inside your body and you need to get that checked as soon as possible. Recurrent spotting or bleeding. Even if there is a light spotting or bleeding happening and it is repeating after a day or two, then that's a sign that you need to go to your doctor right away and get that checked. Extreme and persistent severe back pain. Most people will tell you that back pain is quite normal in pregnancy, but an extreme, severe, and persistent back pain is the indication that your uterus might be going through some changes, your cervix is weakening, or it could be related to some other complication as well. So that must be checked. Extreme fatigue and dizziness. ज़्यादा dizziness होती है, थकावट होती है, चक्कर आते हैं, then that's also not quite normal in pregnancy. It might be linked to anemia, high blood pressure and other hormonal imbalances. It's not something to take lightly and you need to discuss it with your doctor. Lastly, if you feel any tightening or cramping in your abdomen, lower abdomen, that might be linked to early uterine activity. So it is also something alarming and you need to discuss it with your doctor. High risk doesn't mean that कुछ ना कुछ खराब ही होने वाला है. It means that you need close monitoring and you need to discuss these things with your doctor and don't consider them कि प्रेगनेंसी है तो इसमें तो ऐसा होता ही है, दर्द भी होता है, चक्कर भी आते हैं, ये भी होता है, वो भी होता है. Don't take that lightly, because from my experience I can say it's better to be cautious and careful than losing your child in the process. It is that every woman's body is different and you know your body better than anyone else. So if anything feels off during pregnancy, then that deserves to be checked right away and don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. I believe that awareness can save lives, so do share this video with others so together we would be able to prevent as many pregnancy complications.